Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making fusilli pasta with vodka sauce. I start by heating some olive oil in a large pan, and to that I add some chopped onions and minced garlic. Cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes until the onions are soft and garlic is fragrant. Once that is done, I added some chopped broccoli and bell peppers. You can use any vegetables that you like. Cook them for about a few minutes until they start to soften. Then I added some blanched tomatoes. I use about 2 tomatoes. Stir everything together and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the tomatoes break down and they start to make a thick, nice sauce for the base. Now for the key ingredient, I've added about 2 tablespoons of vodka to the pan. Don't worry, the vodka will cook off, but it adds a great depth of flavor to the sauce. Next, I'm going to pour in about half a cup of heavy cream. This makes the sauce rich and creamy. Stir it well to combine everything together. Now for a bit of heat, I've also added some chili flakes to the pan. This is totally optional, but I think it gives a nice kick to the sauce. Now just stir everything together. It's now time to add the cooked fusilli pasta. I've also saved some of the pasta water. Make sure you don't skip this step. I added the reserved pasta water to help the sauce stick to the pasta and make it even more creamier. Mix everything together until the pasta is evenly coated. It's now time for taste test. It is a simple and